Okay, just some things to help you here. I know, again, a few questions, a few people looking at your answers on Canvas, you're getting some of the same mistakes. It says, how much did they each invest? This is how much of their own money they put in. So it's not what the account balance is. It's if they put in $5,000 a year for 10 years, that's the amount they put in. That's not including interest. So just how much money did it take? So if they put $5,000 in for 10 years, how much money is that? Okay, so multiply those together. Then when you're getting down here, you're doing these lists. Keep the answers exact. So like I told you here, to go from 5,000 from that year to the next year, it earned 7%, but then she put another 5,000 in, so that's why it's 10,350. As you're writing these numbers in, don't round it. Keep the number on the calculator. So times 1.07 plus 5,000, and I get 16,074.5. Write that down, but don't round it. Times 1.07 plus 5,000. Okay, I can write down on here 22,199.72, but on your calculator, use that number times 1.07 plus 5,000. And again, you can, when you write it down, you can round it, but don't round it on here. Use that number times and keep going with that. Okay. Now, these numbers, these 10 will also be the same first numbers here for a while. And then at some point, you have to keep adding. And, I know this takes a long time, but just type it in, times 1.07 plus 5,000 to see how much money's left. And, in the end, on the very last step, then round it. Okay. So don't round on the calculator until the very end. So hopefully this helps some. Should be more questions if you have some questions in there. But yes, hopefully this helps get you started. If you feel like you're typing, you think you're doing it right, and it's telling you the Canvas quiz says you're doing it wrong, you're probably just a few pennies off. So don't round until the very end.